Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am off on a very special trip and I thought I will take you with me. So it's a very early start and I've just grabbed this acai bowl because my daughter loves it and I just wanted to know what exactly it's all about. Well, I have to say that was a lot. I could not finish it and I left the bottom end, which I guess would be the acai part, but never mind. I'm heading into London first, a quick stop, and then just going to take the underground to get my train, which is heading to my destination. I've shared a little glimpse of my book at the end of the video, so stay tuned. It's a very busy day here in London. The stations are all packed, people everywhere. That acai bowl was so filling. I'm still full from it, so I'm gonna just get a quick coffee to keep me going and off on my second long train. Hopefully it'll arrive there on time. And a quick taxi ride later from the station, I have arrived at the warehouse of my publishers. It's a massive warehouse. My publisher is Hachette UK, and I am here to sign my brand new book, Chetna's Indian Feasts. So I'm gonna head inside and see what they have in store for me.
I'll let Steve know that's where you're headed.
First up, I need to get my high-vis visitor jacket on, just in case they don't notice me. Let me get that on and then I'm gonna go via the office to the warehouse. This is it, guys. Look at this warehouse. It's I've been here before, but I didn't share it with you. This time I thought I'll share it with you because this is a massive space and this is where there many thousands of books and are stored, and it just every time it blows my mind. It is absolutely amazing space, and it smells of books as well. Look at that, look at that. Isn't it just amazing? Simply amazing. So I am here to sign some copies, and they usually have a little corner for the authors to sit and sign. So they've got everything ready. Here are the glorious copies. I love all my books, but I have to say the cover of this book is really special and I am totally in love. So this is my signing station. We've got lots of markers because I'll be going through a few of them, and some water to keep me hydrated. It's really hot in here. So started signing them, and it works really well. Someone is passing me the books, I'm signing, and someone is collecting it and boxing it up at the same time.
All of it. You can always tell.
A few hundred copies to be signed, and these are heading to various places. They are going to indie shops, they are going to some big chains like W.H. Smith or Waterstones. I don't know exactly how many are going where, but I'm signing them so they get to you guys, and hopefully you will get a signed copy, and I think I'm almost there. I had to stand up because it was much more comfortable. And yes, this is the very last copy I'm gonna sign. I am super excited that I'm done with the signing of the books. And these are being packed up in boxes straight away and going to be heading to their destinations. Just a last look around this massive warehouse, and you feel like such a drop in here amongst these, you know, thousands of copies. I am very happy to be here signing the copies, and this is it. They get the orders, they process them, and you've got these people going through the list of orders and packing them accordingly, and it just works really well. They've got a well-oiled machinery going on in here. Right, so my job here is done. I am quite hungry now, so I'm gonna head into the office and get myself a sandwich and some crisps to sit down and eat before I get back on the train for my long journey back home. Yeah, this was real fun, real fun afternoon. On my first train back, I got some sandwiches for my train journey as well, because it's quite a long way back home. And now I've got my first train, and I've only got a few minutes to catch my second train. So here I am sitting in the underground, hoping that I'll be able to catch my second train. If I miss that, I'll have to wait an hour. So let's get running. And I made it. A bit huffed and puffed, but I made the train, and I am back in sunny Kent and back home. And as promised, I am going to show you a little glimpse of the book as well. And here it is, friends. It's Chetna's Indian Feasts. It's got 80 recipes, and I'll show you a little peek inside of how the chapters have been broken up, because it's very different to all my previous books. I have broken it up into themes, and hopefully you will like them all. And it's just full of stunning pictures of the food. You can cook the whole feast, or you can just make one recipe from the chapter. It doesn't matter. I really hope this book gets a lot of views. You guys enjoy cooking from it. I'll be back with the recipes, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my kitchen.